everybody, welcome to my channel. You guys, I went to Walgreens this morning and I'm like, okay, it's not the greatest deal. I actually spent, it's 10 o'clock, I've been here for almost 2 hours. I know it's crazy, but I was not expecting for this deal to be the way it is. I do have to contact Walgreens because some of my digitals didn't come off. I didn't have a cash reward, whatever, come off, so I will be contacting them. But let me share with you guys what I got. So, my store did not have a lot of stuff marked. I don't know if she was just, they were behind or what. I mean, my store's a 24-hour store, so they usually are pretty good. But these were not marked. I kind of guessed it. I had her price check it. So these are on sale for $1.99, you guys, okay? I had a $1 off digital coupon. Plus, there is a $1 off a 2. I don't know if that digital is for $1 off a 2 or $1 off 1. I don't know. I didn't look at it. I didn't know I had it. I must have clipped it and didn't know about it. But there's also a $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will get these both for $1.98, 99 cents a piece. Now I made sure and I checked the ounces. The regular, like the miniatures, these are 8.5 ounces. There's another one that's 8 ounces, and then there's another one that's 7.5. So I'm sorry, but I like to get the biggest bang for my buck. So I got these. I love Reese's peanut butter cups and ice cream. I just love it. So I ended up getting the Captain Crunch. I hate to say this, but I should give this to my stepdad for Christmas because he's always like, I like Captain Crunch. I like Captain Crunch. So guess what? He's getting a bunch of cereal that I'm gonna wrap for Christmas. But anyways, these were $1.99. I had a printable coupon that is still available on coupons.com for $1 off a 2. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay just $2.98. Where did I write this? $2.98 or just $1.49 a piece if you guys need some cereal. Okay, I did this Shea Moisture. This is actually stuff that I do use. I use more of this in the summertime than I do in the wintertime because it helps with the frizzy in my hair. But these were $3.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use a 5 off a 2 coupon that we just got in today's inserts. You guys will get this for 98 cents, 49 cents a piece. Awesome, 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 awesome deal. So I stood in the medicine aisle for a good probably 20 minutes. I was trying to figure out these deals. Now, I wanted to get the dime tap, and then I thought this deal was buy one, get one 50% off, and I had it all figured out in my head. Then I'm like, nope, it's not buy one, get one 50% off. So this is $7.49. We do have a digital coupon that is for $2, and then I also got a $2 Catalina that printed off. So, but you can only submit this on Ibotta once. So otherwise I would have done this deal twice. So $7.49, you guys want to use a $2 off coupon, you would pay $5.49 for this, but then you get a $2 you can submit for a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $3.49. Now, if you bought 2 of them, the price would be a little bit cheaper, and you could possibly use that Catalina, and you get a $3 cash reward. But I did not get that, so I wonder if I did get it in my thing. I don't know. We will see. I gotta check my phone for a second because I ended up doing the Zarabees deal. Now, let me find. I have 2 of these. Let me just check my phone real quick. I always check my pictures, and I want to see if okay, the Zarabees said, yeah, I would have gotten a register reward. Okay, so I ended up getting these Zarabees honey cough soothers. Now, I was going to do a different type of deal, but I didn't want to spend that much money out of pocket, but there's some really good like coupons sitting at the store that you guys could use. But anyways, I got the Zarabees. These were buy one, get one 50% off for $7.99 a piece. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $11.98 for both of these. But you guys can submit 2 $2 rebates with Ibotta, and you're supposed to get a $3 register reward, which I did not get, and I will be contacting Walgreens for it. But if you guys get it, it comes out to be just $4.98 or $2.49 a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm like, what? They just made these. But so if you guys need some Zarabees, definitely go ahead. I haven't tried these, but You know, especially almost getting seasoned where everybody's getting sick. I got some chicken broth. Now, this wasn't marked, but they're on sale right now for 59 cents. You guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You would just get this for 9 cents. Now, I've been cooking a lot lately, and this is 2 cups of chicken broth. So if you guys ever need a recipe or something that you need to know in advance, the cans are 2 cups. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. I ended up doing the Colgate toothpaste. Now these were $2.99. I used 2 50-cent off coupons that we got in today's inserts. You guys would pay $4.98, but then you get a $5 register reward, making them absolutely free. So if you guys want to do that, go ahead. Now, I was trying to do the math in this deal. Now, this is something that's kind of funny. So, my store had these right here. They were marked for like $9.79. These are the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blush things, okay? $9.79, and they're buy one, get one 40% off. When I scanned the product through the app, they showed up $5.89. $5.89 that you guys could purchase these online, or you can purchase them in the store for 9 something. So I asked the employee, I says, do you guys price match online prices? And she said, yes, they are supposed to do that. Now, if your store does not do that, you guys can always do the curbside pickup. What you could do is while you're sitting in the store, purchase it online, make sure you go through a certain app to get more cash back, like Ibotta or something, and then tell the cashier that you pulled your online order so they can get it. And you guys should get still a receipt when you guys do the curbside pickup. But I'm just giving you guys a heads up, if your store is a little cranky on that, do the curbside pickup, or just, you know. But anyway, she price matched these to $5.89. But again, these are buy one, get one 40% off. So there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will get $2 off and $2 off. You would pay $5.42 for this, but there is a rebate with Ibotta where you'll get $3 and $3 back with Ibotta. These come out to be a 58-cent moneymaker. So you go from pretty much 20 bucks to 58 cents free of a profit. I think that's a great deal. So make sure you guys are definitely checking that stuff out. Now, I had 3 different digital coupons. I had a $1 off digital for this one, and I had a $2 off digital for this one. I also had a $3 off a 2 digital coupon. Only the $1 one came off. So I will be contacting Walgreens for this, but you guys can do this deal multiple times. I did it twice in 2 separate transactions. So I ended up getting both of these are $3. I was supposed to get the 3 off of 2 or the 1 and 2 off. It doesn't matter, whatever you guys use. And you would pay $3 for this. But then you guys will get a $3 register reward for buying 2 of them. So these come out to be absolutely free. So I did this deal twice in 2 separate transactions. So I did get 2 $3 register rewards. And then I also received, for my 2 transactions, I also received 20% on regular priced items of $10 or more. So if you guys need a hankering for that stuff, go for it. Now, I also did the toy deal. My son is obsessed with stuffed animals lately, and he is obsessed with SpongeBob. We do not have a SpongeBob. My phone's just going off like crazy. We do not have a SpongeBob stuffed animal, so I thought these would be cute. These are $6.99, and they are currently buy 2, get 2 free. So I bought both of these for my son, and my daughter is getting into Little People, and we do not have Anna and Elsa, and these were $6.99. So I had to buy these for her. So basically, you guys would pay $13.98 for 4 of these toys, but get them for $3.49. So I'm pretty excited for this deal. We just watched Frozen last night, but I was really excited to get these Little People, and then my son's gonna be super excited because I'm gonna put these in his stocking. So got those. I gotta hide those for when I go inside the house. But that is everything that I got. My total came to $48.41. I am currently right now trying to save up my points because I've dwindled so much over this past year because of the deals not being the greatest. But I did receive $16.54 back. I had a Catalina where I get 6,000 points or $6 in points when I spend $30 or more. And then I had that thing where you spend so much, you get so much. I didn't get anything like that. I don't know if I did or not. I don't know. But I did get $16.54 back. With Ibotta, I did get $12 and I lost my phone. I did get $12.20 back with Ibotta. I accidentally wrote $12.10, but I did get those back. And then I did receive $11 worth of register rewards, which would have come out to be $8.77 for everything. But Walgreens still owes me a $3 register reward, a $2 off digital coupon for the, there was something that was $2. Oh, it's for the Crest toothpaste. And then they owe me $3 for the 2 items that I bought. So they still owe me that stuff. So my grand total would have been a 23-cent moneymaker if everything went out correctly. So that was my haul, you guys. I thought it was not going to be the greatest, but it ended up being awesome. So that is cool. Just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully next week we have another awesome week just like this week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.